Greetings dear friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and how are you today? If you're feeling a bit sluggish, a bit jaded, a bit tired, the breathing practice, it's short and sweet as usual, and it'll help to activate the sympathetic nervous system of the body. And the sympathetic nervous system, that kind of like gives you a boost of energy that really helps to, well, it's got lots of purposes, but in this particular instance, we're consciously using our breath to activate, to give us a bit more energy to get us over the next speed bump. Okay, so to do this one, we're going to focus on breathing in and out just through the right nostril. So we're going to just breathe in and out just through the right nostril. So we're going to close the left nostril and we're going to breathe in and out through the right nostril. And that will help to energise the nervous system. So a good way to do that, you can use your ring finger on your right hand, and because we're going to aim to be in a sense of balance, you want to have the inhalation and the exhalation the same ratio. So if you're going to breathe in for a count of 3, you breathe out for a count of 3. In for 3, out for 3, or in for 4, out for 4. Because when it's the same ratio, that initiates that sense of balance as well within the nervous system. Alright, so I think we can manage breathing in for 4. Let's see how that works out. We're going to go for 5 rounds to start off with together, and then I invite you to do 5 more, maybe with me or by yourself. We'll see how we get on. So you're settled into your body. Check how you're sitting. Head, neck, back's aligned, tuck your chin in. Take your ring finger, place it on your left nostril. So right ring finger on your left nostril. Breathe out through the right nostril. And then breathe in through the right nostril. And let's start the practice. When you're breathing in, think about breathing in from your navel area, from your belly. So breathe in on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Exhale on 4, on 3, on 2, on 1. Full breath in to the right on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Full breath out on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Full breath in on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Full breath out on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Last one together. Full breath in on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Full breath out on 4, on 3, on 2, on 1. Just release the hand. And the all important introspection, just check to notice what you notice. Notice the in-breath, how the space feels around the head area. Observe the way the space feels around the right side of the nostril, the flow of breath through the right nostril and the flow of breath through the left nostril. See if you can sense any kind of like similarities or differences between the two nostrils. And also get a sense of your energy, your emotions, what's going on right now. Well done. Well done. Excellent. Well done. So that, dear friend, was a quick introduction into how you can use your breath to activate your energy. If you need a little boost in the morning to get going, or you've got to do a bit of yoga, or you've got to do something, just need a boost of energy, boost of enthusiasm, motivation, just practice breathing in and out through the right nostril. Give it a go and let me know how you get on. Thank you. Namaste. Cheers.